We will be airdropping to delegators, stakers, to binary holding and friends, validators on Osmosis. Those two teams have helped us a lot and will be infrastructure partners. Let's effing go. We're gonna get another Cosmos ecosystem airdrop. This time to Cosmos stakers. This is what we're doing today. A little example how to stake Cosmos on those two validators. My name is Eve Finance. After 40 subscribe Patreon so I can buy more of those Atom Cosmos Let's effing go. So what do you need? Let's read. For everyone who have missed the alpha during the Evamos AMA today, Evamos have done a snapshot in November 25th. They're doing the coin drop, as far as I know, in February 28th, which is like, I don't know, 10 days or so from now, give or take. And this is very key. If you stake Osmosis, to one of those two validators, binary holding friends validator on Osmosis zone, on a Capital wallet, of course, you will get another airdrop for the new coin which I've dropped on Patreon / Discord a couple of days ago, the Fusion Finance, which I think they want to be like Uniswap AMM, Uniswap AMM on EVMOS, which is the EVMOS is gonna be huge, just huge. But that beside of this video, not the point of this video. So let's do this quick tutorial. For this sake, you need to go first of all to your Capital wallet. I've already done that. I put for me, I just staked Osmosis like a week ago, 20. I put 10 in this one, binary holdings. You see 10 Osmos and 10 Osmos in France. I have a little leftovers, almost 2 Osmosis. This is what we're doing. How do you even get it, you might ask? Well, first you need to subscribe to my channel. Second, let me check that I'm recording, which I am. How do you do that? How do you stake Osmosis? You go here. You go to Osmosis zone. You know, it's a great, it's like Uniswap for Cosmos. Again, I'm not a Cosmos expert, but I love what I see. I think Osmosis is like buying Ethereum when it was like, I don't know, 200, 250 bucks, like 2 years ago. This is how early we are. And when Cosmos goes to like 300-400 bucks, well, people will start talking about it. So in my humble opinion, not a financial advice, time to get into Cosmos, not just for the airdrop per se, but because this is mind-blowing potential from everything that I see. It's freaking huge. So you go to Osmosis, okay, you deposit your Cosmos Atom. I deposit like one for this specific tutorial. You take that one, I've already done that, and you swap. You go to step 1, you go to assets, okay? I've already done that. You go to assets. With your Cosmos Atom, you click deposit, very important. Take the deposit and deposit the 1 Atom, 10, whatever that you have, 50, 100, 1,000, and you deposit from the Cosmos blockchain to Osmosis blockchain, so it will be on this nice website. And by the way, tell me one other website that looks as cool as the Osmosis. Look at this nice, it's crazy. So basically, once your assets, you deposit 1 Atom, your Atom is now on Osmosis. Once it's on Osmosis, you go back to trade. In the trade, you just swipe the 1 Atom, 10, whatever that you have, to Osmosis. Already done that. Click swap. Fees are like 0.05 Osmos. You're paying fees in Osmos, not in Cosmos, in Osmos. If this was funny, yeah, you know what to do. Subscribe and let's effing go. Once you got yourself some Osmosis, based on everything that I've searched in the past, stakeholders of Osmosis that got airdrop. Again, every airdrop is different, but some one coin gave to Osmosis stakers that had a minimum 50. Okay, that's like 400 bucks. Others gave to Osmosis stakers about for anyone that has like 20. I think some others gave for Osmosis like 10. okay, which is $80, and some just gave to Osmosis because they have, I don't know, 0.1 or 1 Osmosis, which is $8. So have some money, have skin in the game. Don't just try to be in the system because of airdrops. Be in the system because you love what you see, and I love what you see, basically. Okay, so get yourself some Atom, swipe it to Osmosis, and then go back to your Kepler wallet. In your Kepler wallet, this is very key. Your Kepler wallet, change here the Cosmos Hub to Osmosis Hub. Also stake some secret network, hint hint. I've seen some hint on Twitter. I need to do a video about it. Secret network and secret swap, just like Juno and Juno swap. Do the same thing with secret network for future airdrops. And basically that's what you got. Change to Osmosis. I'm already here. Now that you have, you see I got 20 staked and I have 1.9. This is what we're gonna do for the example. You're gonna click stake, okay, and earn up to 81% APR. Very important, just so you know, regardless of the airdrop, 81% APR converted into APY, it's about 115, 120% annually, not including appreciation if Osmosis goes up, not including airdrops because you stake Osmosis. It's compound on top of compound on top of compound on top of finance after 40. Wow, wow, wow. Click on stake, okay, and the Kepler wallet will open. And now the Kepler wallet opens, you see, and you need to basically, I'm gonna give you a bonus tip after this. We got 1.9, just for the example, you're gonna click, you're gonna pick those two, both of them. At the end of the day, it doesn't say, hey, you got 10 and 10. It says you got 20. Put some Osmosis stakes in both those two, and do it before the end of February. Very key. Click on manage, okay, search them from the list below if you don't have it. And my delegation, they pay 5%. Go to the website, read about, it's pretty cool. Click on delegate, and let's say I got 1.9, it will be locked for 14 years. Click one, doesn't really matter. Click delegate, and you need Osmosis some fees. And look at this, I just put high, which is 0.0075 Osmosis. Click approve, the transaction is pending. Wait a second, Feel free to tell me a joke. I am pumped, I'm back in the States. It was a great visit. I've seen my parents, I've seen my dad. I'm more relaxed now, I'm more focused. I'm also back on TikTok, just so you know, also finance after 40. Let's effing go. Okay, so now you see here I got binary holdings 11 Osmosis. I got 10. You can do the same, put 0.1, which I will after this video. And that's all you gotta do. But the bonus point, that's all you gotta do for the airdrop. Do it before the end of February. Bonus point, I got a phone, so let's pause. Once you stake on those two validators, let's give you a little bonus. Go here, Osmosis. Under the stake, click on governance, okay. This was key for the Juno, okay. For the Juno one, you got yourself basically one neta, which is like $2,500 or something, which is literally insane. But if you just voted on one Juno basically vote or something, you got 10 more neta, which is like $25,000. We now know what we need to do. You stake, you validate, you stake, you delegate to those two, and vote. I already voted, okay. Voted period ends on the 17th. What are we today? That's tomorrow. Voting, click vote, read about all of that. Yes, no, Let's do this together, okay. Semi-automated incentive adjustment. Yes, sure. Confirm. Click high if you want, doesn't really matter. Takes a couple of seconds. Okay, transaction complete. And now it says that I've voted. So maybe they will say, you know what, you're gonna get like $1,000 or something just because you staked those validators, but another 10,000 because you voted. How crazy is this? Zip Finance After 40, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.